Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Myself, Ms. Marvelous, with you guys. So today I'm going to be told you how you can sign up, how you can register in LFI. So just click on the referral link, and you will be on a page after registration. Write your username. Anyone username you can put. If this username will be available, so you have need to be change your username. So I have put Marvelous because my name is Marvelous. So if you use same name, then this will be not accept. Then you have the same name, then you can use Marvelous 13, Marvelous 56, Marvelous anyone digit you can use with them. Put your email. You have need to be put a gmail.com. So I have put my streak account Gmail as streak at the rate gmail.com, and select your country. So my country is Nigeria. So because the Nigeria is not available in the country due to the restrictions, so I put Niger. It's the one state of the Nigeria. And put your password. So my name, full name is the Edibayo Morilas. So I'm putting my name, my password. So first word of your password should be the capital, and your password should be more than 8 characters, and there should be one capital letter and one numeric word. So I have put Adibio at the rate 001, like that password you should be need. You can see here I have put Adibio at the rate. Click on the captcha, and you need to be select the same picture as shown in the picture. So click on a picture. You see, I have used Marvelous, so this is already present. So that's why now I'm using 7-8. I will click on a picture. You can see a laptop. So I'll click on a laptop. As I click on a laptop, you can see I'll click on a verify. You can see here. So click on a sign up. So my account is registered successfully. So now we need to be login and verify our account. So just click on a login button. As you click on a login button, it will ask from you the username and password. If you don't remember your username, then you can use the Gmail which you have used for your account. So I am putting my Gmail and the password at the bio at the rate 001, the password which I have used during the registration. And click on a captcha because this is necessary. And you can see here in the picture, we need to be find out that pictures, and click on that pictures and then verify. As we will click on a verify, then you can see here the captcha is verified, and click on a sign in. So a mail will be sent to your Gmail. So this Gmail is in my other phone. So my friends, the Gmail is here. So we will see our Gmail. There will be a password, and we need to be take 6-word password. And because as we click on a sign in, there we have need a verification that we have did successfully or not. So a password have been sent to my Gmail. So now I'm going to put my password because I have received a password of 6 digits. So now I'm putting the password. After putting the password, you will see there will be a verification automatically. See, put the password, 6-character password. Yes, it's going to be verified. Now choose the personal account because this is your natural account, and term and conditions. You can read term and conditions, and then submit because these are term and conditions. Our last step is the authentications. You need to be download an authenticator. I have already downloaded authentications. So it's a secret, it will not show. There will be a plus button. You need to be click that and give the name of your account and paste this key, this secret key, and then click on an add button. There will be an add button. As you click, then you will see a 6-digit code. Copy that code and then put that code on this page which is shown here. So I have take my 6-digit code, Now I'm putting here because we have just 30 seconds to be put this. Now is verification done. I have put successfully the click on this blockchain error and click on a continue. Your account successfully have been completed 20%. Now we have need the KYC and different details of our account. So our profile 20% have been completed, account register, and this is the referral link. Copy this and send to your people for building team. So my friend, just join now and take money from this project.